Welcome to today's at-home workout. I'm not at home, but situations change. Sometimes we have to be flexible. Let's get moving and start our 10-minute workout. We're gonna build some strength, discipline, and consistency. Let's go. Just side to side. If you don't have a lot of space, this move is lovely. But if you got a little bit more space, let's go laterally. I couldn't work out from home today. Reasons unimportant. It's a little frustrating. What are you gonna do? We're gonna cry in our soup? No way, Jose. We're just gonna find an alternative, and hopefully I can get this workout in before I get interrupted and the day starts. Okay, let's work the legs a bit. If jumping's not accessible to you, just step, perfectly fine. Just the legs. I'm gonna start to get my arms involved. Bring real presence, real focus into our workouts. Just want to get the body warmed up. Do some flexibility exercises. Okay, I'm gonna walk. Nice upper thigh muscle stretch. If you can do it in a dynamic way that you're moving, brilliant. We're building strength in our legs. We're moving, increasing our cardio little by little, but also bringing flexibility into our workout. Everything's connected. Try not to separate things. If I can be physically flexible, does that allow me, when things don't go exactly right through my day, can I adapt more easily because I'm flexible in my way of thinking? Things don't have to go exactly right. They don't have to be my way. Don't make the world have to act and do certain things for you to be happy. I have no preferences. Try not to have preferences. And then whatever happens, all right, I can deal with that. I can handle it. Let's keep moving. Little boxer. Get your arms in. Just bounce really light on the toes. Just find a creative, fun way to move. Be flexible. Use your imagination in whatever movements feel nice for you. Just anything with the legs, keep the arms up. Building cardiovascular, strength, upper body, lower body. And an idea, you choose your own adventure. You can be flexible in your movements. Dun, 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 dun. Think of Rocky, yeah. And not take ourselves too seriously. Shake that out. Bend. And just a gentle back bend. Get down as low as you can. Bend your knees as much as you need. Bring the arms up and bend back. No talking for a few moments, which I know is hard for me, but just find a really nice flow and bring all your attention into this. One more. That was amazingly quiet in a room where there's usually lots of kids go, ah, to hear it that quiet. It was pretty amazing. Reach. Really This is more about the torso. Getting as deep of a twist as you can. If you want to pick up the pace, by all means. I think for this, I want to go a little bit more slowly. Increase the range of motion. My hips, lower back. Feel that beautiful stretch. Just bring everything into this moment. This is the most important thing that you're ever going to do. We can go through our day with that thought. No matter what you're doing is the most important thing. Oh, things become so much more beautiful. We become so much better at everything we do when we bring ultimate attention, laser-like focus into each movement. Okay. If you can't walk, if you don't have space, we're just gonna do a hamstring stretch. So this is a nice dynamic way to do it. We can also walk. Get as low as you can. If you can touch your toe, beautiful. If not, if you can touch your knee, your shin, beautiful also. I'm gonna come into this and actually go quickly. See what that's like. Oh yeah, that's a good move. Almost. Beautiful. Okay, because I have this nice wall here, we have to try one move that I know is a real favorite of people. Let's come into a wall sit. 40 seconds. Try to go 90 degrees. Watch the mind. You are stronger than you think. We can hold this. Don't put your hands, keep them up. Prayer pose. You can pray to whoever you need to. Arms can come up also, or I can just be here. We're just gonna hold it. Flexible in our thinking. I can do this. I think I can. I can do this. All right, that's been 30 seconds. We can go longer. Do your best. If you have to stop and take a break, come back as quick as you can. Oh yeah, legs might start to tremble. Come on. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. You are strong. You are strong. All right, I'm going another 10 seconds. Let's make it a solid minute. Can you stay with me? It's getting hard. Come on, we're almost there. 1 minute of a wall sit, not bad. Oh, okay, let's just back to this. Just side to side if you can. If you're here, that's all right. Just a little bit of range of motion in the hips. I love it. Oh. Let's just finish this off. I'm gonna take this, come down. So lateral and bend. Building up beautiful flexibility. Literally, we can bend over entire shoes. We can pick things up without being in pain and agony. One more. Oh, brilliant. Well done. 1 minute of attention and focus. Close your eyes if you like and just absorb everything you've taken in. And just be aware of the preferences you have throughout the day, how we want things to be a certain way. Can you go through your day today being a little bit more flexible? Oh, the road's closed. I have to go a different way. Oh, there's a difficult person I'm dealing with. Okay, can I show compassion rather than be judgmental? What does that best version of yourself look like? Last really conscious breath, really, really conscious breathe in and out. Brilliant. Have an amazing day. Be productive, be positive, and be really flexible. See you tomorrow. God love you.